Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update OBS to the latest version. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main dashboard or studio mode, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice a menu bar there with several options including File, Edit, and Help. Go ahead and click on Help. This option will give you access to various support features and importantly, the update checker for OBS. From the Help menu that appears, look for and click on Check for Updates. This action will prompt OBS to connect to its servers and search for any newer versions of the software that might be available. The application will automatically compare your current version with the latest release, checking if you're running the most up-to-date software. This process usually takes just a few seconds, so you won't need to wait long. Now, once the check is complete, OBS will display a message letting you know whether an update is available or if you're already running the latest version. If an update is available, you'll see a button or prompt that says Update Now. Go ahead and click on this button to initiate the update process. This will begin downloading the latest version of OBS with all the newest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. After clicking Update Now, the application will handle the download and installation automatically. You may need to wait a moment while OBS downloads the update files and applies them to your system. The software might close and restart itself during this process, which is completely normal. Once the update is complete, OBS will relaunch with the latest version installed and you'll be ready to use all the new features and improvements. And that's it. You've successfully updated OBS to the latest version, ensuring you have access to the newest streaming and recording capabilities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.